Good morning. Though I wish I could be with you in person, it's an honor to participate in today's conference.
皆さんのお手元に日本語
I'd
の
like to
紙
thank
があ
the
ります。
Embassy of Japan for inviting me to speak on this important issue. No other country has done more to document these abductions than Japan.
マイク・リーさんの翻訳が
For what
お
they
手
are
元にあると思います。
intolerable crimes against humanity by the North Korean regime. A regime that has no respect for borders, the laws of men, or the higher law that says every human being should be treated with dignity. But since the armistice, North Korea has used a combination of flattery and force to abduct thousands of Japanese citizens, South Koreans, and Americans. It might be easy to lose sight of North Korean abductions in light of the regime's other flagrant offenses. In stark contrast to its public assassinations, nuclear programs, and missile tests, North Korea's abductions are quiet crimes. They're marked not by seismic activity, but by the absence of loved ones, by late-night walks never completed, by fishing boats that never return, by hikers who vanish from the trail. Because of the quiet nature of North Korea's abductions, it's up to the free world to be loud. It's up to us to advocate tirelessly for the abductees, just as their brave families have done. I'm hopeful that together, our efforts will send the message to North Korea, loud and clear, that they must send these abductees home. We won't rest until they do. Thank you.